Welcome to Innovent Foods. If you have 2 apples at home, you can make this delicious, soft and comforting apple cake without any oven. Simple ingredients, beautiful aroma and perfect for everyday baking. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 apples. Cut them into small pieces. Simple fruit cakes are popular worldwide. Apple cakes stay moist longer than plain cakes. Cut apples into small, even pieces for uniform baking. Place them on a plate. Add 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Mix well. Brown sugar enhances caramel flavor in apple cake. And keep aside. Now in a bowl, crack 2 eggs and beat for 1 minute. Add half cup sugar gradually. And beat until the sugar dissolves. Add 1/4 cup oil and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix again. Take 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve. Mix gently into the batter. Do not overmix after adding flour. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix well to get a smooth batter. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil and place baking paper inside. Coat the batter evenly. Spread the prepared apple pieces on top. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Always preheat the pan for even cooking. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Apple release natural sweetness while baking. Cool completely before slicing. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Homemade cake avoids preservatives. Let the cake cool before cutting for clean slices. Fruit-based cakes need less extra sweetness. Portion control makes it a healthy treat. This apple cake proves you don't need many ingredients to bake something special. Soft, fruity and perfect with tea or coffee. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy home-baked recipes.